Hi everybody, I am in a beautiful place and you can see behind me the beautiful place in the nature which we must preserve. The man must preserve it forever, and we every day we destroyed this beautiful place. Look there, look please behind me, you can see beautiful place here, the nature, trees, and everything is I and you and everybody. We must preserve it forever, for our life, for our super life, because in the future we will not have it like this. Look there, please. Look there. Beautiful place, beautiful nature. The trees behind me. Look there. We must preserve them because we depend of them for surviving. Thank you for watching the video.